Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to be solving this trigonometric equation. It's cosine x minus pi over 2 is equal to -1. So first we need to figure out when in general does cosine of something equal -1. So for that, I'm just going to plug in, I'm just going to actually paste the parent function for y equals cosine of x. And we're going to figure out where that's the case. Where does this hit -1? Well, it hits -1 once in a cycle at pi, right? So every pi is where it's going to hit. And so therefore we know that it's y equals cos of pi that is going to give us -1, right? Cosine of pi is equal to -1. Now, that said, that is not the only value. That's the only value in quadrant one. So if we were only looking at quadrant one, or sorry, cycle one rather, not quadrant one, my apologies. If we were only looking at cycle one, then, that's good to go. But in this case, they didn't actually give us a domain to work with. So we need to consider all the possibilities. So it could be pi plus k pi, k 2k pi rather, 2k pi, where k is any integer, right? Because if we added 2 pi to this to get 3 pi, that would be the same spot, but on the second cycle. If we added, 4 pi, right, that would be the same thing, but on the third cycle, and so on. Or we could go backwards in cycles as well, right? We could add any multiple of 2 pi, and we would still get -1 because the sinusoidal function repeats itself again and again. And so therefore we know that in general, cos of pi plus 2k pi is equal to -1 so long as k is an integer. So next what we need to do in order to solve for x is we need to equate what's in these brackets with what's in these brackets to find out what x is equal to. So x minus pi over 2 is equal to pi plus 2k pi, like that. And then I need to add pi over 2 to both sides. So x is equal to pi plus pi over 2 plus 2k pi. That means x is equal to 3 pi over 2 plus 2k pi, where k is an integer. And there we have it. That's our final answer. Now, again, if we were asked to just find it within a certain domain, we could plug in certain values for k that would give us answers within the domain we were asking for. However, that's not the case here. Here, they didn't give us any guidelines like that. So we could just leave it as this overall answer here, which encompasses all those different places. Any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.